the very center of the earth, made up of iron, the Quran, the very center of the Quran, is also talking about iron. How amazing is that, mashallah? Kaf, lam, fa on one side, and kaf and fa, lam, kaf, or the same letters on the other side, and they are actually orbiting around their own orbit. Isn't that cool, subhanAllah? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I will show you the second miracle, and this is one of my favorites. I think it's a pretty cool miracle too, because, well, we'll see why. Okay, so the second miracle that I am about to show you is, well, the earth, the very center of the earth is the mantle, or the core, right? And the core is basically made out of iron, correct? So let me write that down, iron. And we will be needing this. Now, the entire Quran has how many surahs? 114, correct? So if we have 114 and we divide it in exactly half, so divided by 2, that will be 57 surahs, right? That's surah number 50, surah 57. And surah 57 is surah al-Hadid. And Hadid means iron. How amazing is that? Not only is the center, like the very center of the earth, made up of iron, the Quran, the very center of the Quran, is also talking about iron. How amazing is that, mashallah? Now I will show you the third miracle. This is also one of my favorites, and it is really cool. So the third miracle is that in Surah Yasin, there is an ayah that says, لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر والليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون. We will need the phrase كل في فلك. So again, forgive me if my Arabic handwriting is a little bad. كل في, then فلا, and then kaf. So this is kullun fi falakin. Okay, kullun fi falakin. Now, what is the first letter of this phrase right here? Kaf, right? And the last letter? Kaf also. And you see the similarity right here? Now, the second letter is lam. And the second to the last letter is also lam. Are you noticing a pattern here? Now, the third letter is fa. And then we also have fa for the third to the last letter. So these are also matching. Now, after the fa, there's actually a ya. As you can see right here, there's a ya. And okay, here. And this ayah actually means they are orbiting around their own orbit. So again, around what? Around their own orbit. Now, kullun fi falakin, fi falakin yasbahun. That yasbahun means around their own orbit, right? And so, right, in this phrase right here, the very center is ya, right? Because the ya is in the middle. And so, if there's kullun, kaf, lam, fa on one side, and kaf and fa, lam, kaf, or the same letters on the other side, they are actually orbiting around their own orbit. Isn't that cool, subhanAllah? So this is the third miracle.
নেক্সট কোরআনিক মিরাকল জানার জন্য দেখুন এই সিরিজের পরবর্তী এপিসোড। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।